Facebook Ad Secrets Advance. While the FB Ad Secrets was made for beginners just starting in Facebook advertising, these videos answer the coming challenges you will face as you scale to spending hundreds or thousands of dollars per day while remaining profitable. For beginners, you will usually start with a low budget to run your Facebook ads, but eventually when the time comes for you to scale your offer with a bigger budget, you will come across problems such as your ad account being disabled, profit margin becomes thinner, and things like when and how to split test your ads. With this upgrade, it will help you prepare to scale your business to possibly 6-7 figures a year. You need to think long-term, and if you want your business to have massive returns, you must be willing to invest and work towards it as well. Topics covered: security measure, how to set ad spend limits, how to spy on FB ads, page transparency, how to optimize and split test FB ads, how to duplicate ad sets correctly, how to create custom audience, how to add customer list to audiences, how to create lookalike audience, how to do FB retargeting, campaign budget optimization, CBO, how to delete unused page posts, what to do with FB ad account disabled, what to do with header comments, how to view breakdown, FB ad hacks.